We are currently in my backyard. You can see my patio over there. We're actually on the side of the house, but this is the bus pad. All right, so you can see the bus pad back here. We've already started the work, and that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. We're gonna be trying to finish off this bus pad so we can put our bus on it. This is my pile of gravel, and this is what I'm gonna be putting down for the bus pad.
Locked my heart undercover, but you stole it like a thief in the night. I'm cold as December, but my temperature's running high. I don't believe in magic, but when you smile, it's too good to be true. Our love is automatic. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. I don't have many troubles, but I think you just cut them in two. You're my supernova, the way you're lighting up every room. I used to be dramatic, now I'm so chill, collected and cool. Our love is automatic. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. My love burglar, do you know how much you've taken? Gone and on the run like a prisoner escaping. But you can't have it all, 'cause I think that you're mistaken.
We were out here trying to get some work done, but it decided it wanted to rain on us, so. So I'm gonna go ahead and push over the fountain. I went ahead and cut the line here last night, but if you have something similar in your yard, don't just tear it out like this. Talk to a plumbing professional. This is the line we actually had to put a plug in, and I actually need to continue to tighten it up, it looks like. But I would have never known this was the right pipe to do that if I didn't talk to a professional. So we're at the point where we can just push it over. What I'm gonna do with it, yep, probably just add it to my consistently growing pile, but the fountain is out and I can now fill this hole. I wasn't quite strong enough to put this big cement block onto the cart, so what I had to do was I kind of had to roll it around and shake out all this gravel, and mostly just gravel in there. But now the tube is hollow, so I should be able to put it onto the cart and actually move it around. But I'm just gonna leave this gravel here since I'm gonna work on filling this area in anyways. So. All right, I now have it on the cart. I decided I didn't want to know if I could do it twice, so I went ahead and strapped it down. But I should be good to be moving now.
Mistaken. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing
but this is the space. This is the bus pad. So up next, it's going to be modifying this gate to fully open, so that way we could actually fit the gate through it. This is like a 4-foot gate, and the bus is probably at least 8 feet wide. So we're definitely going to have to make that gate bigger. And I didn't feel like paying anybody to come out and put a gate here or doing something fancier myself. So what I've done is I've bought like $100 worth of just hardware, and I'm gonna just see if I can convert the current fence as is into a gate. And I guess we'll have to see how that goes. So it turns out fences aren't meant to be gates. So it's currently super flimsy. It's taken me a long time to get here, but at least now I have that side opening. Kylie just got off work and she's gonna help me with this side, so hopefully that'll go a little bit more smoothly. But they are just, I think I'll probably have to redo them later, but it'll probably work for the current purpose of getting the bus back here though. So fingers crossed.
We're gonna get it, guys. Okay. Yeah. You're about even spaced on the front. You're just slanted. Huh? Here's our dilemma, guys. We are so close. We're so close to getting to the pad. We're such a close fit. We're close to hitting our house. We almost ate shit. Took our house with us.
We didn't almost hit the house.
It was close. It was close.
We were very,
close.
it is very close here.
Hairline.
It was very close. That's for sure.
And if you can see, it's slanted. Yeah, when I hit the gravel, it slanted more. Well, we made it. Woohoo! There it is. It worked. It worked.
Did work. All right, so we got the bus in the backyard, and that's where we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I didn't really go over what I did to the fence, but I don't really feel like I should. It's a real hack job of a solution, but it's gonna work for us right now. I'm gonna probably have to redo it, so I'll definitely cover that if I eventually redo it. But right now, it's a pretty flimsy gate that we're bungeeing together, but just to fit our current needs with the bus, that's all it's gonna work great. Thank you so much for watching this video. Maybe if you want to say like something like
Go ahead, like and subscribe, and get ready to see more bus content.
more bus content is definitely on its way. We're actually gonna start filming some more bus content right after this. So thank you guys so much for watching again and giving us your time.
You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. I don't have many troubles, but I think you